In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends here within Minecraft on your phone. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more Minecraft content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. The first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up Minecraft and hit play. From here, find whatever world you'd like to use or create a brand new world. But if you are using a current world, go ahead and hit the edit icon to pull up a page that looks like this. And scroll down on this little left tab over here until you see the multiplayer option. Select it and you're going to have a bunch of different stuff here. Make sure multiplayer is obviously ticked on up at the very top. And just make sure that you're able to have your friends on here by clicking friends and member. From here, go ahead and scroll up and hit play on the world and it's going to begin loading you into your game. Once you're inside, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually click these three lines up at the very top middle of your screen, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this, and up in the top right, there's going to be a section that says invite to game. Select that, and here you're going to be prompted to choose whatever friends that you'd like to invite to your game. So in this case, I'm going to choose Geo is Daddy. And then simply once you select whoever you would like, hit send one invite and it'll invite them to your game. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.